Hello, today I will show you how to do this illustration about a cute unicorn, and if you like the process, you can always subscribe in our YouTube channel right here in the bottom left of the screen, and yeah, hope you like it. Okay, so let's start. We will go to a sketch desk, first of all. Here in the left, we have all the brushes that we will need. We have our different layers that we will be using to put each part of the animal in one of the layers to make it easier for us. Let's start. We will start doing a basic shape, which will be a circle here to place everything in the center of the canvas. Here, yeah. And we will color it with this tool here and a pinkish color, no, a purple color here. Perfect. With this tool, you can see that everything gets filled. Then on the background, we will put a pinkish color like this, and we will fill everything in with this other brush. Like here. Yes, now I know where to place my unicorn. We will start our rough sketch, the first sketch that doesn't have to be nice and beautiful, with the pencil and a black color. And I will use the shapes again to place all the elements. So let's start maybe with the head right around here. Okay, now let's see if everything is where it has to be. Let's play around. More or less I like it, but as you can see, I have not the animal placed in the middle, so I will use the selection tool, these scissors right here, and select all the unicorn to move it in the center, like here. I like it. To stop the selection, I click on the selected part and unclick the scissors. Easy. Okay, yeah, I like it. Let's do a better eyes. Yeah. Okay, so let's start coloring our sketch. First of all, what we will do is and we will lower the opacity of the sketch. It will be easier for us to see the limit of each part. And then we will do a new drawing layer and place it on the bottom of the sketch. And then here we will start coloring. I will start with the body, and I will use this brush, which is very opaque, and it will make it very easy to fill everything super fast. You will see. Okay, I put the size the maximum, and then I start. It's very easy to fill everything. And one thing that I didn't comment you is if you just mistake for like this, you can undo very easily by clicking on the screen with 2 fingers. And now what we can do, we can go to the eraser and erase the parts we don't like, because we will have other elements like the hair. Then we'll do another layer and we will place the hair on the bottom. for this layer, I will use a pinkish tone, and I will use a smaller size of the brush. Sorry, I select the correct brush. Oh, yeah, I was lowering the size of the eraser like this. Perfect. This will allow me to do more smooth lines. As I have the other layer on the top, I can just draw on the part that is already drawn by the body, and I won't put everything on top. Now we'll try to fill this in with this tool. You can see that if you do the contour and you close the contour very good, you then can fill everything in. If you don't do very good the contour, this is what happens. So I will take again this and do a good closing and then fill in. Nice. Then I will do the tail and filling in. As you can see here, I want a hair on top, so I will erase this part here. Perfect. So what else? Now I will do the horn. Right here. For the horn, I will use the ruler. It will be much easier for us to work with this. And I will use this tone. And in this case, I will use the pencil because I want this to be more accurate than the rest. Okay. As you can see, I'm doing straight lines thanks to the ruler. This. I will take the ruler out, close it, and fill in. Perfect. And I will also fill in the lower parts of the legs. Let's see if it's closed. Yeah, nice. Perfect. Okay, now we'll do a very important part, and for me the part that we will be spending more time, that will be doing the appropriate lines for the contour and everything. We'll use this color here, and I will be using the liner brush, the thinner one. So let's start. Just check I'm in the appropriate layer. Yes, perfect. So let's try to make smooth lines. It's okay if the line is not super smooth. Yeah, and if it's, sorry, you can just erase the parts that you don't like this, to make it thinner or just the appropriate line. Again, if you have to do a straight line and you see that you are having some problems, just use the tools that Drawing Desk allows you. Like this. Love it. For example, here I can use a circle to make it easier for us. Yes, and maybe here too, as I did before. Let's make things easier, as I said. will fill this in. So now I will just click on this eye here that will hidden the layer, and we'll check if we like the lines that we have done, or if we missed some lines. For example, I can see that I'm missing the horn, right? So let's do the horn. Sorry, I didn't comment you. To pick the color from the canvas, if you click, we have this eye drop, and we will automatically select this color here. It's super easy. It's a tool that Drawing Desk allow to easily select the colors. Okay. One thing that I love from Drawing Desk is that you can use one application that is called Log Alpha. When you select this Log Alpha, you will just paint on the part that is already painted. So for example, I will use this brush that I haven't showed you before, which is the spray. I will take a pinkish tone, and if you can see, I will only paint in the part that has the body, because I'm in the layer that is the body, like here. And I'm kind of doing these shadows around the body that gives like deepest feeling. Nice. And what else? I will do the same, the locking alpha, but in the layer of the hair. I will go to the hair layer, and I will use, in this case, the big brush, because I want, let's see, I want to do some different hairs in the different colors in the hair. Sorry, I will make the brush bigger. Yes, like this. Many colors around. Nice. Finally, I will do a new layer to add the color of the eyes. Smaller in this case. No, I will take the pencil, which will allow me to do it easier. Yeah. And I want to do pinkish tone here. That's it. Okay, I will do a new layer on top. Just to finish, I will use this color here, and I will try to do kind of a sparkling vibe, like if this unicorn was, well, it is magic, but more magic. Like here at some points, like it's shining around. And then what I normally do, this lighting layer, I lower the opacity a bit, just to make it more cohesive. So finally, just the last layer I will do, it will be a layer to put the final touches. Like for example, some lights on the eyes, like this. I always love to do this sparkly light here. And I will use these shapes to put some star around. like for example here. I will use this color. And as I commented before, you can see that you will have this star shape and then some hearts. Yeah, enough. And before finishing, we have to export and save our drawing. I will save it into my device, and that's it. Super easy. So hope you like it.